QuikClot powder cauterizes. Yes, cauterizes your wound. But before we get into that, quick shout out to Sarah Hallowell and Diego Ramirez, our two patrons, for getting shout out today. I'm going to use this big slab of beef to show you why QuikClot powder is no longer used by the military or first responders. First, let's try a thermal cauterization using a 1500 degree knife blank out of the forge. Even if you got a knife this hot and was able to hold it to the wound long enough for it to cauterize it, it would still not be effective. As you can see, it only sears the top, burns the flesh, causes more damage, similar to this powder. All of this tissue is going to need to be removed in the hospital because of the burns. Additionally, this fine powder often ends up in the eyes, nose, throat, and mouth of both the patient and the responder. So instead of cauterizing, we now use this kaolin impregnated combat gauze. This does not cauterize, this only creates a mechanical clot, and not like the clots traveling through your veins with the combat powder. Make sure you leave this in the wound because removing it will restart that bleeder.